there, everybody. Hope everybody's doing well. Well, I'm back on this side of the camera again for you. I was watching the other day on YouTube some of my favorite folks, Myss Hobbs and her husband, B33, Brandon, and they were participating in a challenge, and the challenge was Farm to Sea, and it consists of doing 3 videos and you present a dish. Either you make it or you can buy it or whatever. That consists of something from the farm, from the sea, like it says. And also with the challenge, you nominate other folks to participate as well in it. And on her second video that they were doing, she had nominated me to do it. So I'm back on this side of the camera again. The last time it was Ben, one-legged hunting mechanic, that had got me to get on this side with the Happy Meal challenge, but that one was trying to scarf it down fast, which I knew I didn't have a chance in it. But this one, at least it isn't trying to wolf it down as bad. So me being the southern folk that I am, I figured I'd present something that we always had, southern wives for us. Dad or Granny would do all the time salmon patties for us. So that was my Farm to Sea kind of combo together, because since it's got eggs in it and then you got salmon too. So I went with salmon patties, and I ain't gonna lie to you, I done took a bite off of one of them because I was getting hungry right at lunchtime for us. So I went ahead and started a little bit early before I started recording. But I'll have a video as well of how I made it, and the dip as well too. You know, mine aren't not my dad's or my granny's, but I really come to the realization that you ain't ever really gonna make it like your folks made it. You can try, but you ain't really gonna get it close. It'll be good, but you really just have the memory of being with them and eating it and just making it yourself. Now, Granny, she would make ones that were huge. You like put them on a sandwich huge, throw some tomato and lettuce and onion with it. Good stuff. Dad made small ones. These made smaller too, so I wouldn't be eating as long, because I don't figure I want to watch me eat too long. But I don't know who all really passed this on to challenge-wise, because you pass it on to like 5 different people. I'm still really trying to think who in the world to pass it on to, so it may be the second video or the third video in the series before I really can think of who to challenge to do it. So I guess y'all can live in suspense along with me on who's gonna do it. The second one, I'll do something a little different wise too, but I'll have the recipe, like I said, because I'll do videos that go along with these of how I made everything. And it's something that is farmed. You don't see it farmed or think it farmed as often as other stuff, but it is farmed. So get a little messy here. Sorry. Had a piece running away from it. And then third video I got mine's one pretty common that you've had probably quite a few times. But yeah, I figured go southern with y'all on the first one since I'm southern myself. But that's pretty much it for it. Good old salmon patties for you. Now I can't lie to you, for years growing up and everything else, I heard it as salmon. Because I mean, hey, there's an L in there, you say it. Thank you for the English language there for us, for messing this up of having a letter in there that you don't pronunciate. It goes along with other stuff in the English language with 2, 2, and 2. Well, which 2 are you talking about? Going to somewhere, too much of something, or 2 as in quantity or something. So, I don't know, I ain't gonna lie, I'm a Southern South Henry, it was salmon patties instead of salmon patties. But that's what I had for y'all today. This is good old salmon patties, as I would say it used to. But anyways, I love y'all. Thank y'all so much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you'd like to. And I'll have 2 more of the challenges videos coming up as well. So anyways, like I said, I love y'all. And I'll catch you on the next one.